Alright. Bring that over there. Alright, you guys ready to break? Got 4 boxes of Spectra. It's 11 o'clock, so we're gonna get at it. I think so. I think there's someone else in the chat. Rob, if you can hear me. We're about to start. Alright, sounds good. We're gonna get at it. I sent everyone a message yesterday telling them the start time, so let's get at it. Box number 1. How's it going, Rob? Pack number 1. I'm gonna open all these packs from box number 1. Give me 1 second. Sorry. Change one. Alright, here we go. Starting off for the Cincinnati Bengals, Jeremy Hill. Out of 149. Jeremy Hill. We got a random of Navarro Bowman and Russell Wilson rivals. We'll randomize this at the end of the break. It's 12 out of 49. 49ers and Seahawks. To the Minnesota Vikings, Fran Tarkington, Epic Legends. Number 2 of 99. What team you got, Rob? I could probably read the names here. Are you Colts? Yeah, Colts. Okay, cool. To the Lions, Barry Sanders. 35 of 49. For the 49ers, Carlos Hyde and Mike Davis. Numbered out of 199. For the Green Bay Packers, Clinton Dix. Really? This is 10 out of 50. Is he going to show? There we go, 10 out of 50. Clinton Dix. Got a jumbo jersey for Devin Smith of the Jets. Speaking of Devin Smith. Numbered 192 of 199. For the Ravens, Rashad Perriman. For the Raiders, Clive Walford. Numbered out of 99. For the Jets, Devin Smith auto jersey. Number 90 of 99. This just does not want to focus. For the Jacksonville Jaguars, Blake Bortles, Catalyst. Numbered out of 199. Houston Texans, J.J. Watt. Numbered 449. New York Giants, Odell Beckham Jr. Numbered 23 of 50. Odell Beckham. Pretty sweet patch for Sammy Coates. Gigantic jerseys. What am I thinking? 6 of 10 for the Steelers. Another one for the Steelers, Bud Dupree. Numbered out of 199. Yes, sir. Nope, this is for the Patriots. Doug Flutie. Number 2 of 5 for the Patriots, Doug Flutie. Even from my vantage point, and I'm right here, it looked like a Niners. So, on to box number 2. Hopefully we can get some Colts and some Redskins. That is a sweet looking card right there. Alright, first card for the Raiders, rising rookie Amari Cooper. Dual jersey, numbered out of 199. Team trios for the Browns, Duke Johnson, Johnny Manziel, and Vince Mill. That is numbered 24 of 25. For the Panthers, Cameron Artis-Payne. Out of 199. For the Panthers, Calvin Benjamin. Numbered 2 of 10. Dolphins. For the Arizona Cardinals, vested vets, Michael Floyd. Number 2 of 50. You got a quad jersey, team quads. Tyler Lockett, Richard Sherman, Marshawn Lynch, and Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. Numbered out of 99. I'm a Vikings fan, so last week was not very fun at all. For the 49ers, Epic Legends Jerry Rice. 30 of 50. The Raiders in this so far have from what I'm seeing, are killing it. Here we go. For the Raiders, Clive Walford. Out of 49. For the Browns, Ozzie Newsome. Out of 99. For the Eagles, Nelson Aguilar. Sweet little 3-color patch there. Out of 99. What's up, Brent? Oh, man. Another Seahawk. Cam Chancellor. Numbered out of 199. For the 49ers, Colin Kaepernick. Out of 35. 28 of 35. Who has the Eagles? Philly. Steven? Obviously someone not here. Another one for the Raiders. Team trios. 3 sweet little patches of Khalil Mack, Derek Carr, and Amari Cooper. It's numbered 38 of 50. For the Chargers, Brandon Oliver. Numbered out of 99. It's crazy. I hope we get a 1 out of 1 in this. Devin Funches. Carolina Panthers. Rising Rookies. Numbered out of 199. And a Dwayne Bowe. Cleveland Browns. Some laces off the deflated football. Out of 99. Box number 3. Oh, baby. Alright. Starting off for New England, another Doug Flutie. Numbered out of 99. For the Green Bay Packers, Ty Montgomery. Numbered out of 99. For Tampa Bay, Mike Evans, Catalyst. It's numbered out of 199. Love how it just... Come on, Mike Evans. There we go. At 199. Here's a 49er. Joe Montana. Out of 35. For the Tennessee Titans, Marcus Mariota. Gigantic jerseys. Out of 50. 36 of 50. Marcus Mariota. Another one for the Titans. Sweet patch of Sean Green. 10 of 10 on that bad boy. For the Ravens, Carl Davis. Numbered out of 199. For the Saints, Drew Brees, pink. It's numbered 2 of 5 for Drew Brees. For the Jacksonville Jags, team trios, Blake Bortles, TJ Yeldon, and Marquise Lee. 5 of 50. For the Detroit Lions, Eric Ebron. That is 6 of 50. For the Jets, Bryce Petty, rising rookie. 10 of 50. For the Raiders, Bo Jackson, Bo knows. Out of 99. 20 out of 99. For the Seahawks again, Richard Sherman, vested vets. Out of 25. This one will have to be randomized. 49ers and Cowboys rivals. Steve Young, Tony Romo. 10 out of 99. For the Steelers, Antonio Brown, Sunday best. Out of 199. One more box for you guys. The Tampa Bay Bucks, Jameis Winston. Numbered 41 of 49. Last box. Good luck, guys. Hope we get at least one of each. Alright, here we go. For the Bengals, Chris Collinsworth. Numbered out of 99. For the Steelers, Blue Ink, Sammy Coates. Number 12 of 50. I feel like the Steelers have been hitting quite a few in this. And the Seahawks. For the Green Bay Packers, John Kuhn, Sunday best. Numbered out of 199. For the Titans, Dorial Green Beckham. Ten of 15. That was really weird. That kind of looks like an 18. I thought it said 18 of 15. Thought I was going crazy for a second. It's like, how are you numbering higher than what it is out of? For the Falcons, team trios, Tevin Coleman, Matt Ryan, Justin Hardy. It's out of 199. For the Browns, Barcavius Mingo. Out of 99. For the Texans. Whoa, let's get that in focus. Jalen Strong. It's out of 199. For the Washington Redskins, RG3. Yeah, probably not what you were hoping for. 9 out of 99. He's on the board. For the Chargers, gigantic jerseys for Melvin Gordon. Numbered out of 199. For the Arizona Cardinals, Andre Ellington. 3-color patch. 3 of 25. We gotta find a Colts. Another Clive Walford. Raiders. This one out of 199. I like the pattern on all the colored ones, to be honest with you. Like this next one, this pink one. For the Jets, LaDainian Tomlinson. 1 of 10. For the Detroit Lions, Eric Ebron. Out of 149. Going to have to randomize this one. Ooh, almost fell. Tony Romo, Steve Young, Rivals. $16 of $50. For the Redskins. There you go. Washington Redskins. At least you get a jersey card here. Epic Legends. Out of 99. Last card to the Jets. Darrelle Revis. Out of 49. 31 of 49.